Welcome to Val Grosina, a true winter wonderland tucked away in the Italian Alps. Here, the magic of winter comes alive in pristine snow, frozen lakes, and majestic peaks that seem to touch the sky. Step into the silence of snow-covered trails where every crunch underfoot feels like a melody of nature. This isn't just a trek. It's a journey into serenity, far from the chaos of everyday life. The frozen lakes of Val Grosina are like nature's masterpieces, reflecting the crisp winter air and the beauty of the surrounding Alps. Every corner here tells a story of untouched wilderness. As the day comes to an end, Val Grosina reveals its most breathtaking secret, a golden sunset painting the snowy peaks in hues of orange and pink. Stay for the sunset, it's a sight you'll never forget. Val Grosina isn't just a destination, it's an experience, a chance to connect with nature and embrace the tranquility of winter. Please hit like if this is your dream escape and subscribe for more stunning adventures and drone footage of Italy's hidden gems. Until next time, thank you for watching and ciao!